Today we are visiting a beautiful and cultural place called Guttu Mane. This place is peaceful and surrounded by nature. First, we saw these amazing jackfruit trees. It was very surprising to see so many fruits on a single tree. I like jackfruit so much. If any of you watching this likes jackfruit, please leave a like for me. Jackfruit is not just tasty, it is also very healthy. It is rich in vitamins and helps boost immunity. It is good for digestion and gives natural energy. If you have a favorite fruit, please tell me in the comments. We also found a mini fig tree and even opened a fig fruit to see what's inside. Nature is truly full of wonders. As we moved ahead, we got to see a sandalwood tree. It is very special and valuable. There were so many flowers and greenery all around. The atmosphere felt fresh, calm and relaxing. We were having so much fun. This is a hibiscus flower. It comes in many different colors. This beautiful tree is known as the pride of India. Its vibrant flowers add a magical touch to nature. Here we can see the traditional Kaimaaga, known as handloom. In earlier times, clothes were made using this. People were using this method to make various patterns, shapes and color to make cloth pieces. There are so many different types of patterns. Here I am using the charka, a traditional spinning wheel used for spinning yarn or thread. There were also original displays of how palm jaggery was made traditionally. We also saw the traditional method of making oil using a bull. It shows how people used natural ways in the old days. We also came across a beautiful scene of a grandmother sitting with two children. It was a statue, but it felt so real, like she was telling them a story. The background storytelling voice made it even more special and emotional. Inside Guttu Mane, we explored many old South Indian cultural items and also beautiful displays of Janapada folk style. This place is not just a house, it's a complete cultural experience. It connects us to our roots and traditions. Every corner of this house tells a story from the past. The traditional items here show how simple and meaningful life was in earlier times. People lived close to nature using natural resources in their daily life. It reflects the traditions, values, and lifestyle of people. Through culture, we understand how our ancestors lived and celebrated life. It teaches us simplicity, respect, and harmony with nature. Every tradition carries a story, and every story keeps the culture alive. These are traditional kitchen items used in earlier times. Everything was handmade and was made from natural materials. From nature to culture, every moment had a story to tell. It reminds us how simple life once was, yet so meaningful. Thank you for being a part of this beautiful experience. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.